Welcome back. In this session, we will explore tree map. The tree map, we can say it's like a visualization tool that represents data as nested rectangle, where the size and color of each rectangle correspond to numerical values. It's ideal for showing proportions within categorization and subcategory. For example, when you're going to use something like this, when you want to display hierarchical data like category and then subcategory and etc. Or if you wanted to compare some we can say proportions or some data within a single visualization. I will give you an example here. You can use a tree map to display revenue. Here we have the revenue by region and product category, making it easy to identify the highest and lowest performer. Here, as you can see, we're gonna have category, detail, values, and tooltip. We don't have x-axis or y-axis as we have in the bar chart. So here for the category part, I will drag and drop the region in the category part. And for details, always put something like numerical values. Here for the numerical, we have revenue or sales. So let me drag and drop the revenue inside the details area. And the last one for the values, we're gonna put here the subcategory. The subcategory in our example, we have here months, region. I think we need to update our data to have something like subcategory. So here I updated my Excel. So let me go back again and we can go with get data. This is my updated file. We can get it like this. And again, sales data, we have here product subcategory. I'm gonna go and delete this one. So I will start here in the tree map. We have category, details, and values. So we're gonna take region for the category. And we're gonna take product category for the details to have here something like subcategory. And values, it will take the numerical fields, in our case revenue or sales. I will take revenue. And look at this, we have here a complete comparison between west, north, south, and east. Let's have a look about the data here. We have here, if you're gonna click on that one, we have 4 regions. Each region have different product category, maybe electronics or clothing, one of 2. And we can see here, this one have 3,000 and have 1,600. So, or 1,600. So basically you can see we have for each product category have 2 row. Same gonna apply for the south and again for the east and the west. And here you can see the full comparison based on the category and subcategory. The best practice here in that chart, try to use a maximum of 2-level hierarchy to avoid any kind of messy stuff. Here we have only 2-level category and subcategory. Even ensure the color gradient, not try to use too much color. Basically even add clear label and title for the context. Here you have inside this format your visual. We can add some legend if you want, and we can add even data label to make it more clearing, because right now before adding a data label we don't know which one is for what. But here by adding this, we can see in the west we have the electronics 26k, clothing 14k, and here we can compare between west and north based on this product category. And again here we can compare, even here we can compare. That's basically how we're gonna create and customize tree map in Power BI. In the next session, we're gonna learn how to save and publish your report so you can share your insights with others. See you there.